Welcome back. The part 2 of market phases and market structure. In this video, I will discuss with the help of candlestick charts how to identify different market phases. So, I will take an example of a bank nifty candlestick chart with daily time frame. Just note it down. To look market phases, we need to look higher time frames. So in this case, I am using daily time frame chart. First of all, total four major phases: accumulation, markup, distribution, and mark down. So now, first and foremost important is we need to identify a range, a tight range bound market in a daily time frame to understand or to find an market cycle. So look at this. Price is trading completely in a very tight narrow range. So this is the upper end and the lower end of the tight range. Now once we found out the range, second step is this price range should be minimum 2.5 to 3 month. Okay, so that if this rules get satisfied, next we will move forward to look which side price is breaking, either towards upside or towards downside. So let me scroll down and show you this phase almost started at 26th of December and the breakout came at 5th of March. So almost 2.5 months have been crossed before making a breakout. So this balance gets valid. Now we need to look at which direction the price is making a breakout, either on towards upside or it is breaking the lower band of the balance zone. In this case, price has made an upper band, and first important here is, just once price make a breakout, it doesn't mean clearly this is an accumulation phase immediately after a breakout. No, we need to monitor what is happening. Let me zoom in. What is happening once price makes an breakout? Look at this. On this day, price made a breakout. Next one full day, price was auctioning higher. For the next upcoming day 3, it is also auctioning higher, and day 4 auctioning prices above this upper band of the balanced zone. So very clear, this is, if this kind of activity takes place, more the time price pending above the balanced zone, once price make an breakout on towards upside, that gives me a clear clue that this phase is an accumulation phase, and it this price activity tells me the accumulation phase got clearly completed. Next comes the mark up phase. In the last video, as I mentioned, mark up phase and mark down phase are faster, stronger, and price moves in the direction of breakout in most of the cases. So look at this move. Let me write it down again. Remember, this is very important. Faster, stronger, and price moves in the direction of breakout. Look at this. A first day of breakout was on 6th March. Okay. Now, how much the price can move towards upside in this case once price made a breakout and it started trading above it. Very simple calculation. Just calculate the price range of this balanced, or I can say this accumulation phase. Let's calculate, as this is a bank nifty chart, it's around 26,500 to 27,650. Okay, 26,500 to 27. Let me note it down for your easy understanding. 26,500 to 27,400 was the, sorry, 27,650. So this is almost 1,150 points range, which has taken more than 2.5 to 3 months. So now, how much minimum a price can move after completing accumulation phase? That is 2x of the accumulation phase, we can say. Okay. So it comes around 2,300 points. This is from my experience. That is, there is no clear rule that is price need to move 2x. This is my experience. From my experience, I'm sharing it. Minimum 2x. Okay. So that is 2,300 points. So let's see, once price made a breakout about 27,650, it has, before price even coming down, this is a small down move which came in. Even before price coming any down move, price has made an high of almost 30,070 levels. Look at this. This is 30,000. On your right hand side, you can look at the price 30,078. I would take a rough figure of 30,070. So from 27,650 to 30,070, what we were expecting was a minimum point of 2,300, but what we got is almost 2,420. Let's take it 2,400 points move even before this first down move. Okay, whether this down move is strong or not, that is a secondary, but first, before a down move, we got a 2,400 points of upside move. So what was our expectation? From my experience, I'm sharing it, that is 2x. It has been more than 2x, that is 2,400. Now what I told is faster, stronger, and in the direction of the price move. Look at this, faster, how fast the price has moved. This balanced zone price range was 2,300. It has taken almost 2.5 months. That is almost 75 trading days. Okay, I'm not 75 trading days. That is Monday to Friday is the trade. 5 days trading day in a week. If there is no holiday, if we calculate, it has taken minimum 75 trading days. Look at this. Once price made a breakout clearly on 6th of March and it has made an high on 22nd of March. That is almost in a span of 16 days. In a span of 16 days, it has made a 2,400 points upside move. So mark up phase was faster, it was stronger, and price moved in the direction of the breakout. Why faster? 16 days compared with 75 days. Clear? So now once the markup phase, now after markup phase, what phase comes in is distribution. after markup phase we get distribution phase. So the rule is same for the accumulation and distribution. Now once markup phase, the 2x move which I was speaking, which got done, to get into next phase, that is distribution, we again need a sideways balanced tight range auction. For me, again I need a rule of minimum 2.5 to 3 months. So look at this. After markup phase, after this entire up move, that is markup phase, price was in a balance, but look at the time, 29th March to 8th April, less than 1 month. So this is not a distribution. Yes, price came down, still it is not a clear distribution. Look at this, price again shooted up, again came down, again shooted up. But in this time span, try to understand, we still have not got this kind of balanced activity so that the distribution phase can start. So what info we are getting here is, still the markup phase which has moved the price towards upside, who have moved the price up, that is buyers, strong buyers, or we can say momentum buyers or aggressive buyers. In the class 2 I have discussed why price moves. I am implementing what I have told. There is strong buyers or aggressive buying pressure can move the price either up or down. So in this case the markup phase was done by this buyers. They are still active because we have still not got a balanced zone to confirm the distribution phase. So somehow they are still active. Now you can ask me a question, if they are still active, why this down move came in? Try to understand. This is, if this question is in your mind, if as you said the aggressive buyers are still active, why this down move has taken place? This is a very good question. I will answer this before continuing. Look at this closely. This entire auction and the breakout with markup phase. So this zone is only the aggressive buyers, or we can say strong buyers zone. Okay, this full zone they had a complete control as a buyer. Now once price came into the zone for the first time, they have rejected, they have again came in, they have again moved the price higher. Okay, and for the second time when the price came in below this low, okay, already the buyers have pushed the price higher. When price came in again below this low, still it is in the zone of aggressive buyer. Look at this, again they have rejected, or we can say again they have moved the price towards upside. That is why I say, as still the distribution phase has not formed, that clearly tells us when price comes down or comes into the zone of this aggressive buyers, there is a good chance they can reject and move the price towards upside. Okay, so next, look at this, post this up down and up move, next, now price came into a very tight zone. After a very long time post completing the markup phase, price came into a very tight zone. That is from 20th of November till the breakout point, that is 22nd of June. January, sorry, 22nd of January. Now you can ask me, this is just 2 months. What is our rule? 2.5 to 3 months. Still, our rule is not satisfying. Still, it is a 2 months of auction in which one time price made an upside breakout. What I told is, after a balanced move, if price making after a balanced move, if price making a breakout, in this case upside, don't blindly believe this breakout. Wait whether price is spending more time above this upper band, then we can confirm. In this case, what happened, price made a breakout, but on next upcoming days price reversed back. No, not much greater activity above this upper band of the balance. So this is not a strong breakout or a strong buyers pushing the price higher. So coming back, so this is a 2 months of auction. Now price made a breakout. Okay, price made a breakout. What I will suggest is, as this rule has not satisfied, we need to wait. That is, even if price makes a breakout and start auctioning lower below this, in this case, look at this. I will extend this line. Price was auctioning below this. More the candle, I will extend this. More the candle, price was pending below the lower band, but as the rule of 2.5 months has not got satisfied, this was just 2 months of auction, we need to wait. What is mean by waiting? Now we need to wait and look whether in the same zone, whether price is auctioning further. Okay, in this zone where the price is auctioning further. Now, as this is not valid because first rule itself not got validated 2.5 months, we need to wait and look whether price is spending more time inside the zone and our 2.5 months get satisfied. So now, as price was spending 1, 2, this full zone price was spending inside the zone. Once when price made a breakout, now when price made and breakout again, remember in this case there is a two different scenario. After the first 2 months, I will elaborate here. First, after this is the first 2 months and we are extending it, in between price made a breakout and went below and again came into the zone. Now, as till this point the 2 month is done, we need 15 more days or half a month, 2.5 months to satisfy. But look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 days as came in. So what I will suggest in this case is only 6 days, but a different scenario. If price made an half more month of price pending and it made a breakout, and if it auction lower, then I can tell this as a distribution. But in this case it has not taken place, only 6 days of auction. Now what I want is, once price make a breakout, there is a good chance price will reverse back, and if it get rejects again, in this case same thing happen. If it rejects again, then I will confirm this as a distribution. Okay, this is scenario 1 and this is the scenario 2. Scenario 1 is, if the more half a month which we require, that is 2.5 months, if price spended and made a breakout, then this could be the distribution phase. But in this example only 6 trading days and price made a breakout. So what I want is, once price making a breakout, I need a small reversal. Price should come into this range and make a rejection and sellers dominate here. Then I will confirm this as a distribution. So as this was the 6 days of auction and making a breakout, small reversal and price rejected. Next day price didn't move further up, it started coming down. This is called as rejection. So very clear, this is a distribution phase. Now let's calculate this range. Let's calculate this range. That is on your right hand side 31,046. Let's take 31,050 to 32,380. Let's take 400. Okay, 30,050 to 32,400. That is almost 2,350 points of range in a span of 2 months and 6 days. Okay, in this case, in this scenario, okay, 2 months and 6 trading days. So as the when price rejected, this confirm as a distribution. Now what we should expect is 2x of the move. Okay, this is again I am repeating, this is from my experience I am speaking. 2x of the move, that is 2350 is the range into 2x, that is comes around 4700 points of down move should be expected. Okay, so let's calculate. 31,050 is the zone of lower end on your right hand side. From 31,050, okay, just a minute. Okay, sorry, this is 1,350. Small calculation error. This is 1,350. This range is 1,350 into 2x, that is 2,700. From 31,050 we need to now subtract or deduct from 31,050 to 2,700. It comes around a rough figure of 28,350. If price comes till 28,350, our 2x rule gets satisfied. Now look at this. From 31,050, from this point of rejection on 20th of February, 28,350 got triggered here. Look at this. I'm moving the scroller to downside. The low of 4th March was 28,250. That is from 20th of February to 4th of March. That is just 12 days. Okay, it is just 12 days. In 12 days, just look at this. How many trading days were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In just 9 trading days. Okay, so this total span was 2 months and 6 days, that is 66 days it has taken to make form a distribution phase, and in just 12 days the 2x rule, that is 28,350, got triggered. So what I told, accumulation and distribution will be faster, it will be stronger, and it will be mostly in the direction of the breakout. So this is the markdown phase. Clear? So meanwhile, if you have any doubts in identifying the markup, distribution, accumulation and markdown, you can just note down your doubts, and during the live doubt clearing session I will answer all your queries. And very important, market phase analysis can be done in any stocks, any good stocks, good liquid stocks, and in index, every stocks, every indices have different market phases. Now you can ask me a question, sir, what is the important of knowing these phases? Very simple. When you are in market phase, don't plan to take any short trades. Okay, when the market phase, till it starts until it reaches the 2x zone, don't even think of make plan think or plan any sale side or a short side trade, because the market phase is stronger. Okay, only look for buying opportunities, only plan maximum buy side trades rather than short side trades. Stop doing it. Okay, and similarly same way, during markdown phase, plan to take maximum only short side trade. Don't even plan for a buy side trade until the 2x rule gets completed. Minimum 2x rule, follow this for minimum. Clear?